Hello, Melissa. Welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can use to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I will be covering the website, the front page, the content. I will also be looking into the Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button, the contact us over here. You have very nice visuals. I actually watched the video that you have down here, and that testimonial and those reviews are really nice. I mean, I'm very engaging. Um, you have the different type of fireplaces that you work, and the free design books, because that's one of your main services as well. So this is the video that I was referring to. And you have also the links to social media accounts. So in general terms, it's a very easy to navigate front page. Perhaps just to make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone, instead of having this button over here, you could have the form just ready for people to populate it, and then just include call to action buttons. Well, you have them here as well. Contact us, contact us. So that's really, yeah, well done there. Now, in terms of the amount of content, right now, your front page sits around 568 words. I had a look at two of your competitors. So these guys, Ortal, these guys have 587 words. And Town and Country, these guys have 389 words. So although this one has less words than you do, and the other one has a little bit more than you do, it's actually an opportunity for you to take advantage of, because to be optimized for Google, the ideal spot is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And because if you have more content, then you're going to be able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, and then Google is gonna find you for those keywords, and whenever someone performs those type of searches. So that's an opportunity there for you, is just to throw in more content with more relevant buyer intent keywords. So let's have a look at the Google search. I type in luxury fireplace. The first section that we see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then we have, here is where I found the two companies. Then you have the Google Business Profile. I am located in Miami, so that's why this is the GBP is showing it this way. But the Google Business Profile is capable of driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. And the name, address, and phone number in those citations need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, since you are located in Minnesota, but you are serving the whole country, perhaps you could think of creating Google Business Profiles for different locations, or areas that you serve, or your main markets, so that you can look into that local search and uh, increase that online presence in those local markets. Now, the third section is so that's an opportunity there. Not opening up a store, no, it's just creating the Google Business Profile in those locations. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, and actually this section, sometimes Google presents it that way. To rank here, you need first that your website is being found by Google, but then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at your website, and I can see that there are 1,360 external websites directing traffic towards yours through 4,560 backlinks. So that means that there are 4,560 links embedded in 1,360 external websites. If I have a look at Ortal, these guys have 11,700 backlinks in 1,550 external websites, so not too much difference in the number of external websites. And Town and Country, they have 3,222 backlinks in 426 referring domains, so a lot less than you do. So the point here is that this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. Okay, so to signal that to Google, Google uses the backlinks. That's the mechanism that Google uses. So it's important to strengthen that backlink profile, not only by having more backlinks, but having powerful backlinks, which are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to your service, to your niche, and to the industry that you operate in, because then Google is going to give you extra credit for that, and is going to start regarding your website as an authority. Now, the third section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 10,500 organic keywords. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times that particular keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So I filter out by luxury, and then in here I can see that you are in first position for luxury linear fireplace, second position for luxury outdoor fireplace, and between these two keywords there's a search volume of 150 searches per month. And because of that, you were able to drive 53 visits. So a little bit, yeah, close to 30% of the traffic between those two keywords. Now, if I have a look at Ortal, these guys are being found for 10,000 keywords. And in this view, I filter out again by luxury, and I can see that they're in the second position for luxury fireplace, which has a search volume of 500. And luxury fireplace has a search volume first position of, yeah, it's the same, just the date is different. And they are ranking for quite a number of keywords that have the term luxury on it. So, and the search volumes are 500, between 40, 60, 80, 90 search volumes per keyword. So basically, what I wanted to share with you, the objective here is to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume that you can include in the content of your website so that Google can find you and rank you for those keywords, and then strengthen that backlink profile. Perhaps it's the most important thing, so that you can start ranking at the top. And then, I mean, both things, having a website that is correctly built, and then building that backlink profile correctly so that you can rank at the top and your potential customers can find you, because then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to actually improve your website and the traffic to your website. And also, please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.